Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Spyderco Meerkat here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. This is pretty easy to do. So here we do have a tiny one, guys. This is the Spyderco Meerkat in a sprint run. In fact, as you can see, this is Toku2 SUS4110. It's a special steel for sure. This is a very tiny knife, by the way. Let's quickly check the size. You got 1.75 inch for the cutting edge, and then you get like 3.4 inches for the handle length with an overall length of 5.3. Yeah, 5.2.5 inches, pretty, it's kind of small. Yeah, I mean, I can just like basically cover this thing with my the palm of my hand. And it is a very interesting one. It's a quirky one because it has a phantom lock. So this guy, like as you can see, just might look like a slip joint or like a lock back because there's not a compression lock, you know, there's not much going on, but the locking mechanism is hidden within the scale. So basically you just stabilize the back scale right over here like that and just press with your thumb like in this position. So you're gonna just like kind of like slide this scale over here, which is gonna unlock the blade, and then just push from the spine, and this guy is gonna get into the closed position. That's a very neat, interesting scale lock. Phantom because it's hidden. So also like the other interesting thing about this blade is the steel. We're gonna talk a little bit more in the full length review, and then you do get very lightweight scales like wire clip dip carry. It can be only in the tip down position, so but it's reversible, so you can just decide which side you want it to mount it to. And I mean, overall it's just like a tiny one. It's cute. No jimping here on the spine of the blade, but you have a nice thumb ramp, which is gonna be feeling absolutely comfy. Finger choil for like a more advanced grip. You're not gonna be doing this. You're gonna be doing this like kind of like a utility knife. You know, wanna shred open like some boxes. It's a tiny thing. You're not gonna be batoning anything with that. You're not gonna go into the woods with this. You're gonna just do some office kind of cutting tasks. So it is a tiny one, like full backspacer going on up to the tip over here. Handle to blade ratio is probably one of the worst I've ever seen, but it's not the point of this guy. This is a cute one, let's say that. I mean, it's the Meerkat. It's a very interesting one, and this guy is made in Japan. And let's quickly actually check the weight. I'm curious to see how much this guy is gonna be feeling in the pocket. It's gonna be a light one for sure, 2.37 ounces, so not too shabby for just like, look at this. It's pretty cool, like a neat design. It's a unique looking knife for sure. Not for everyone, probably not for me, but still, it's interesting. But hey, if you want to know more, check out my full length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.